Guys, in this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through that how to remove an Instagram account in your mobile phone. So what you need to do first is update your Instagram account. You have to have the updated Instagram app in your mobile phone to remove your account. Okay. So after that, you have to go to an Instagram. Then you have to pretty much click on this three dot bar icon in the top right corner. I'm going to click it. After that, you have to click on the settings and privacy option, the top right here. Okay, please watch the full video to solve your problem. So then you have to click the accounts center in the top right here option right there. I'm gonna click it. After that, here you can see there is no removal option here. So what you do, so what I need so what you need to do is click on the personal details option. After that, here you can see here is three option. You have to click on the third option, account ownership and control. Okay, after clicking it, here you can see here is the option deactivation or deletion. Okay, you have to click on the option right here. After that, you have to choose your account right there. I'm going to click on this. Then here you can see here is two options, deactivate account temporary or deleting your account permanent. So you need to delete our account or remove our account from Instagram. You have to click on the second option right here. After that, you have to click on continue. Okay, then here you can see here is too much option. You have to click on something else. Okay, after that you have to click on continue. Then you have to put your password right here. After that you have to click on continue. Then your Instagram account will be removed for permanently. Okay, this is how you can remove your Instagram account in 2023. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel.